The palace announced that local government units or LGUs that currently have no financial capacity to pay upfront can now access affordable rice from the National Food Authority or NFA on credit. Under this initiative, LGUs may distribute the subsidized rice to their constituents, providing relief to Filipinos struggling with high food costs and ease the financial burden on consumers. According to the palace, the payment for the rice can be settled within a month to ensure flexibility for local governments while maintaining food security efforts.
Ang sabi sa atin ni DA Secretary Laurel, pwede kumuha ng bigas, utang, kausapin ang FTI, at may 30 days yata po na iaalaw para kung may nagbayad na po sa kanila, nabenta na po yung mga bigas para sa mga constituents, then pwede sila magbayad.